Welcome back, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the top system hacking tools every hacker should have in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned ethical hacker or just starting your cybersecurity journey, having the right tools can make all the difference. We'll be exploring a range of powerful software that can help you uncover vulnerabilities, test your defenses, and stay one step ahead in the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity. From network scanning to password cracking and web application testing, we'll cover it all so you can build an arsenal of tools that are both effective and efficient. Stay tuned to upgrade your hacking toolkit. First up, we have Metasploit, a true powerhouse in the world of penetration testing. This open-source framework provides a vast collection of exploits, payloads, and tools to simulate real-world attacks. Think of Metasploit as your go-to platform for exploiting vulnerabilities. Whether you're targeting a specific system or testing the overall security posture of your network, Metasploit has got you covered. Its intuitive interface and extensive documentation make it accessible for beginners, while its advanced features and scripting capabilities cater to seasoned professionals. From discovering vulnerabilities to gaining access and maintaining persistence, Metasploit empowers you to understand and address security weaknesses effectively. So, if you're serious about penetration testing, Metasploit is an absolute must-have in your hacking arsenal. Next, we have Nmap, the go-to tool for network exploration and security auditing. Nmap allows you to map your network, identify active hosts and services, and even fingerprint operating systems. Imagine you're entering a new network environment. Nmap is your trusty map and compass. It helps you understand the lay of the land, identify potential targets, and plan your next move. With its wide range of scanning techniques, Nmap can adapt to different network configurations and security measures, giving you a comprehensive view of your attack surface. Whether you're a network administrator, securing your perimeter, or an ethical hacker assessing network vulnerabilities, Nmap provides the insights you need to make informed decisions. It's like having X-ray vision for your network, allowing you to see what's running, where it's running, and how it's configured. Now let's talk about Wireshark, the undisputed king of network protocol analysis. This incredible tool captures and analyzes network traffic in real time, giving you an in-depth understanding of how data flows across your network. Think of Wireshark as a high-powered microscope for your network traffic. It allows you to zoom in on individual packets, dissect their contents, and understand the conversations happening between different devices. This level of granularity is invaluable for troubleshooting network issues, identifying security threats, and even reverse engineering network protocols. With its powerful filtering and search capabilities, you can quickly pinpoint specific traffic patterns, isolate anomalies, and identify the root cause of network problems. Whether you're a network engineer, security analyst, or just curious about what's happening on your network, Wireshark is an essential tool for any tech enthusiast. Chapter 4. John the Ripper, the password cracking legend. John the Ripper is a classic tool for cracking weak passwords. It uses dictionary attacks, brute force, and rainbow tables to uncover security weaknesses. Think of it as your password security auditor. It identifies weak links in your authentication systems and highlights areas needing stronger password policies. John the Ripper quickly identifies vulnerable accounts. Use it ethically to strengthen your password security. Chapter 5. AirCrack NG, your wireless network guardian. AirCrack NG is a suite of tools for assessing and enhancing Wi-Fi security. It allows you to monitor traffic, capture packets, and crack passwords. Think of it as your Wi-Fi security consultant. Identify vulnerabilities and get recommendations for improvement. Test your security measures against real-world attacks. AirCrack NG ensures your wireless communications remain private and secure. Chapter 6. Burp Suite, the Web Application Security Mastermind. Burp Suite is an all-in-one platform for testing web application security. It acts as a proxy, allowing you to intercept, inspect, and modify traffic. Think of it as your web application security testing lab. Burp Suite helps uncover vulnerabilities like SQL injection and cross-site scripting. Its intuitive interface and comprehensive features make it a favorite among professionals. Chapter 7. Hydra, the brute force behemoth. Hydra is a powerful tool for brute forcing login credentials. It automates trying different username and password combinations. Think of Hydra as your password security stress tester. It helps identify weak passwords and vulnerable accounts. Use Hydra ethically to strengthen your defenses. Now, let's talk about Nikto, a powerful web server scanner designed to identify common vulnerabilities and misconfigurations. Nikto performs comprehensive checks against web servers, looking for outdated software, insecure configurations, and known security loopholes. Think of Nikto as your web server security checkup. It helps you identify potential weaknesses in your web server configuration that could be exploited by attackers. By scanning for a wide range of vulnerabilities, including outdated server software, insecure file permissions, and misconfigured security settings, Nikto provides valuable insights into your web server's security posture. Its detailed reports and remediation advice help you address identified vulnerabilities and strengthen your web server's defenses against attacks. Whether you're a seasoned security professional or a website owner, Nikto is an essential tool for ensuring the security and integrity of your web server. Next up, we have SQL Map, a powerful tool specifically designed for detecting and exploiting SQL injection vulnerabilities. SQL Map automates the process of testing for SQL injection flaws in web applications, identifying potential entry points for attackers. Think of SQL Map as your SQL injection vulnerability detective. It helps you uncover weaknesses in your web application code that could allow attackers to bypass authentication, access sensitive data, or even take control of your database server. By simulating various SQL injection techniques, SQL Map can pinpoint vulnerable parameters, extract data from the database, and even execute arbitrary commands on the underlying system. Its comprehensive features, ease of use, and detailed reporting make it an invaluable tool for security professionals and web developers alike. If you're serious about building secure web applications, SQL Map is an essential tool for identifying and addressing SQL injection vulnerabilities. Finally, we have Hashcat, the undisputed champion of password recovery. Hashcat utilizes the power of your graphics card, or GPU, to crack passwords at lightning-fast speeds, making it an essential tool for password recovery and security auditing. Think of Hashcat as your password recovery specialist. It can recover passwords from various hashing algorithms, including MD5, SHA-1, and bcrypt, commonly used to protect passwords stored in databases and operating systems. By leveraging the parallel processing capabilities of GPUs, Hashcat significantly reduces the time required to crack passwords, making it an invaluable tool for forensic investigations, penetration testing, and password recovery operations. Its extensive feature set, support for multiple attack modes, and active community make it a favorite among security professionals worldwide. If you're serious about password security and recovery, Hashcat is an indispensable tool in your arsenal. That's it for today's rundown of the top system hacking tools for 2024. From network scanning to password cracking and web application testing, these tools provide a powerful arsenal for ethical hackers, security professionals, and anyone looking to enhance their cybersecurity skills. Remember, it's essential to use these tools ethically and legally. always respecting the privacy and security of others. By understanding the capabilities of these tools, you can better protect your own systems and data from potential threats. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Stay safe and happy hacking!